The rain came quietly today, not asking for attention, just gently touching everything it met. I watched the world through the window, as if time had slowed down, as if nothing else needed to happen. Inside, the light was warm, the kind of warmth that doesn't speak, but makes you feel safe. A cup of tea, an unfinished book, and the sound of rain keeping me company. The wind whispered through the curtains, and the trees outside answered softly. It felt like the world was breathing. Day slowly became night, without any rush. Some days are meant to fade quietly. In moments like this, you realize peace doesn't need a reason. The rain kept falling. The light stayed on. And for now, that was enough.